Alright, there is an albino deer right here. We are trying to catch it. There's about 30 deer,
there ain't no
but there's only like 5 of them here. You can see it though in the distance there.
You can see it on your camera.
Yeah. It's an albino deer. You can see one right there. It's not moving, it's froze.
Here, we'll put the headlights on it, dude.
Alright. Well, it's going to try to turn the car around a little bit so we can put the headlights on it. Right there, right there, right there. You can see it again. And the other's running. Alright.
Did you get it anymore?
Dude, it's right there. It's still going. You can still see it down there.
On your camera?
Not on the camera though. You can't see it.
I mean, when I moved the headlights to it, did you see
Yeah,
it?
I got it. Not close.
Dude, that's fucking nuts.
That's crazy.
Fucking so white here, dude. I can't even say it again. We're gonna have to try to catch
Hurry up,
some
get
fish
in.
in some better light, you know?
Hey.
I'm gonna drive down here. I don't give a fuck.
I give a fuck. Don't get in the grass.
Go!
Hey, Tristan. Easy on my car there, honey. Shit.
It's gone. Damn it.